Move forward. People are born to move forward. Are you, or are we, moving forward? The pandemic, climate change, depopulation, various challenges. How can we overcome them? Social issues are now management issues. Fujitsu thinks and moves forward, making the world more sustainable by building trust in society through innovation. Based on this purpose, we will transform the world together with you. Fujitsu Uvance. Let's move forward to a sustainable world where everyone can pursue their dreams. Using Fujitsu's data and technology. Key initiatives are focused on the 7 areas. Let's move forward.